Hello my friends, it's Gem Hawks here, and today we're diving into the subscription box from Relax and Craft for December 2024. Let's take a look at what we're going to find inside this month's box, and then we'll have a quick chat about the projects that you can work towards making with these beautiful materials. December 2024's Relax and Craft subscription box. Let's have a gander. Well, hello there. I'm already in love. What's my favourite metal? I think it might be bare copper. I've got 2 reels of wire here in bare copper with some complementary toned ear wires. I've got 3 bare copper saw cut jump rings. Looks like we're going to be making some chainmail today. And then I've got 3 labradorites. If this box didn't have my name on it, well, my favourite gemstone in the whole world is labradorite, and this is why. Look at those beautiful blues coming through. This is known as labradorescence. You'll also see golds and baby greens in there as well. A lovely strand of nuggets to work with. Let's pop those up to one side. We've also got some watery clear labradorite in round beads. These are absolutely gorgeous because you don't normally have that translucency. Frequently labradorite is opaque, so it's lovely to see a little bit of translucency on those beads. Beautiful. Last but not least, a big old slab of lab, a labradorite cabochon, and again, if you can see my hand moving underneath, there's just a delicate hint of translucency there. So in terms of projects for this month, there's a pair of earrings, there's a pendant, and there is more besides. We're going to be doing a bit of a dive into some chainmail, which will be a challenge for me because it's not something that I'm naturally terribly inclined towards doing, but I'll let you know how I get on and I'll post my results as we move through the rest of the month. I hope that you enjoy the Relax and Craft box if you're already a member, and if you're not, do feel free to head down to the link in the video description to see a little bit more about the Relax and Craft monthly subscription box, which is by the beautiful Fleur.